While room-based systems are fantastic, very simple to use, sometimes there are occasions where you need to use a different meeting platform than the room is made for. Or you have an outside guest that wants to leverage that space and its technology for their choice of meeting. For those instances, there are systems that are hybrid, where you can have the best of both worlds: Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and anything else that may be on a user's device. In this room, we simply take our cable, USB-C, we plug it into our device, and the panel will prompt us, would you like to host a meeting from your computer? When I select that option, my content is now available on screen for everyone in the room to see, and I also have at my disposal the ceiling speakers, microphone, and cameras for the use of any meeting platform I wish.